Hey everyone, it's Melanie. So today I'm going to show you how to do fishtail braids on my loose wig. So I always leave my bangs out in front, and I just take a rubber elastic after I get the hair how I want and make sure none of the wefts are showing in the back. So I have my clear elastic. I'm just going to secure this down low on the side because that's the easiest way to do this. I secure it down low, and then fishtail braids are always just divided into two. I like to start by just taking a small section from the back of the hair. You wrap it around and bring it in front. And you take another section, small section from the back of the group, wrap it around and twist it over top of the other section. So you have like a crisscross happening, and I'm holding tension in both sides of the hair. I just keep repeating this. It doesn't have to be the same size section, so I bring that over to this side, take a piece of hair, crisscross it, bring it over to the other side. And you start to get your fishtail effect. If you're looking for a more bohemian look, then you definitely want to just not think about the size. Don't think about the size of the pieces you're taking. If you want like more of a bohemian look. And because this is layered hair, try to grab sections of hair that are long enough to go down the braid. So fishtails are really simple. So people think they're really complicated, but it's just weaving the hair around the braid and then bringing it to the other hand and weaving back around. I'm always having my finger kind of in between the hair and the section so I don't lose the tension. And here's my fishtail braid. You can make it more bohemian by holding it and kind of pulling some of the hair out. You know, make it more trendy. You have to hold tension on the bottom part though. You can't just pull all the hair out. Don't be afraid, get in there and give it a good tug. I'll make it a little bit fuller and create the illusion that you have more hair, even if your hair is thinner, if your wig is on the thinner side. And voila! And there you have it. Super cute braid for a date night, or even like wedding hair if you have a hat you want to put on top. Really easy and chic. You can even do a cute little ribbon. And then you have like this really cute boho look. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I will see you in my next video.